Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and these are our 10 favourite sun-loving plants. These plants are really great at dealing with the summer heat. First up, succulents. In the UK, we tend to grow these a lot indoors, but they can also do really well outdoors in the warmer seasons. They tolerate both heat and drought, so they're a great low-maintenance option if you don't have much time to be watering. Number 2, dahlias. Dahlias are a great summer addition because they flower late in the season, making sure you've still got plenty of colour when some of your other plants have finished flowering. The flowers come in different colours like pink, yellow and red. Number 3, palms. Palms are naturally tropical plants, so they love a bit of sun. They give you year-round greenery without the worry of leaf scorch because they can deal with really high temperatures. Palms also add a really nice tropical feel to your summer garden. Number 4, Catman. This is another plant that copes really well in the heat once it's well established. Catman adds some beautiful purple colour and a minty aroma to your garden. These flowers are also great for pollinators. Number 5, petunias. Petunias are an old classic that are always in style. They grow well in lots of sun and look great in window boxes and baskets. Number 6, coneflowers. This plant has really recognisable flowers in loads of different colours. They love full sun and will flower all throughout the summer and the autumn. Number 7, geraniums. Geraniums come in a whole range of varieties with different coloured flowers. They do well in any type of light, but they can thrive in full sun and give you some really great summer colour. Number 8, iris. Iris flowers in the spring and summer and thrives in the sun. You can get varieties that flower in yellow, pink, white and loads of other colours. Number 9, salvias. These plants thrive in the sun and keep producing flowers for months, sometimes from spring until autumn. Number 10, passion flower. This is a great option if you're looking for a climbing plant that loves the sun. They produce really interesting, intricate flowers in the summer. These plants usually do well in any type of soil, so they're quite versatile. Those are our top 10 plants that love the sun. For more content about plants and gardening, be sure to check out the other videos and articles on our website. Thanks for watching and enjoy your garden.